Hi, I'm Amy Lynn. I'm the owner and operator of Derma Aesthetics and Wellness.
I'm Chandlin Omani. I'm a nurse practitioner.
I'm a new nurse injector. I'm a registered practical nurse.
Naturopathic doctor.
I'm a nurse. I'm practicing in Quebec.
Aesthetic practitioner for over 15 years.
Part of the faculty here at the Canadian Aesthetic Medical Expo.
It's very intimate, high touch. Everyone gets an opportunity to ask many questions.
I love the hands-on experience.
It's nice to have a refresher on the anatomy piece of it.
I love the breakdown between the lecture, the live demonstrations, and then actually hands-on. It's quite enjoyable.
A lot more confident now than I was prior to this.
I'm enjoying it a lot. I've learned so much about hands-on experience, and I've heard from some amazing speakers today.
Very good. Definitely above expectations. Everything is amazing.
Like everything, I can go on and on and on. It's super fabulous.
We have an amazing team here.
The faculty is amazing. I'm so honored and grateful to be a part of this. Again,
I rate this a 10 out of 10.
I would recommend it to everybody I know that's in this field, actually. See you guys in September at the CAMA Expo.
I'll see you at the CAMA Expo.
See you next time, Vancouver.
See you in Toronto, baby.